Good morning friends, myself Divyansu. Today's our topic is chatting with contact. First, we will talk about what does mean by chatting. Chatting. It is a communications over internet that offers a real-time transmissions of text messages from sender to receiver. Yes, some applications like WhatsApp, Hangout and Gmail where users can simply access to do real-time transmission of text messages from sender to receiver. Now we will talk about some of the real-time transmission of text messages apps like Google Hangout. Google Hangout is basically the application-based instant messaging software, as we learned in a previous session, where the users should download that application from certain source and install in their computer. Then sign up in Google Hangout application, and the when the simply you have to sign up it, and your friends list or contact list will be appeared. You see that the green dots symbolize that your friends are online. ठीक है? If you want to chat with your friends that was been online, you simply double click on your friends, the windows will be appeared. ठीक है? You have to simply start chatting by typing text in the text box. Now we will talk about the another application, Gmail. Gmail is another application of instant messaging where the users have to download it from certain source and installed in their computer. And first the users have to sign up in the Google Gmail account. ठीक है? Then the contact windows will be displayed on the left side. ठीक है? You have to use same method for chatting. Simply you have to see that which person is online. You see that in his profile you see the green dots which symbolize that that person is online. If you want to do live chat with with your friends, you simply double click on them and start chatting. Now we have to talk about the certain rules and advocates yani manners to be followed while typing. First, start chats with a short greetings like hi and hellos. Yes, as we all know about that. Message should be short and to the point. It means that you have to do not write in paragraphs or in stories that was difficult for the receivers to understand. That's why the senders should write their message in the short waves with effective contents. Always introduce yourself by name. If your screen's name doesn't reflect it, yes, of course, sometimes your name sheet doesn't reflect on the side of receivers. That's why you have to write your name. Always ask another person if he and she time to chat or not. ठीक है? Take an example of WhatsApp, where we see that some person is online and do not reply to my chat because he was doing chat with their person related to their work. That's why first you have to ask with your friends where he or she is free to chat with me or not. Okay, be careful while using abbreviations words, means shortcut words like NP, no problem. Because sometimes the meaning of these shortcut words is different in the side of receiver. That's why you have to use the abbreviations words. Be careful. Typing your message in uppercase is extremely rude. It is considered shouting and very aggressive. Yes, of course. You should ignore it or do not use uppercase because it shows that the senders or receivers is very shouting and in aggressive mood. ठीक Give the other person time to respond. Yes, you not only use the time for typing text and send to the receiver, but also give the time to receiver to reply to your message. Properly end the chats by saying bye or goodbye or good night. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Thank you for watching my video.